What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to show you 10 unique products I got in a fan mail. Thank you so much for sending me that stuff, so you guys made this video possible. By the way guys, if you don't know it yet, I have a fan mail, PO box, links in description. Anyways, let's get to this video. For the first gadget, this company sent me this very unique knife, but at the same time an axe. And there is explanation how it's going to look like. Also they sent me two awesome baby books. You know, I have a child now. I will do introduction probably in the near future. But yeah, huge thanks by this brand. I think this is the name of the brand right here, for baby books on top of it. Anyways, let's open it up and see what this thing is all about. This is so unique. I never seen a knife like that. What's so unique about this knife axe? First of all, it's short but bulky, beautiful for chopping, cutting, cooking, camping side. But also it has all these holes, so you can really grab it differently, like this one, or maybe even like this. Depends what you're doing. Like this is my most comfortable hold. Also, if you have smaller hands and fingers, you can use it for precision like that and grab it way back over here. Just super cool. I like it. I know. Very unique holes to hold your knife. I like it. It's almost protecting your knuckles or fingers over here whenever you hold it like that too. So also it's supposed to be an axe too, so I cut out the stick, and what I'm gonna do, use another stick to chop through the stick. That's it. It doesn't even take that much. Maybe a bit deeper. Okay. We split this stick in half. It doesn't have to be thick. Whoa, I just didn't even notice. Look at that. Somehow I got a perfect size of a stick. You see? There is a slide for this stick. Wow, this is the weirdest axe I've ever seen. And look at that. I got the perfect size possible. That is so cool. Boom. And now we have a little hatchet right here. Pretty unique. So you got here a knife and really easy to make a little axe. By the way, also the knife is very sharp, or the axe, whatever you want to call it. You can still lock it in when it's in an axe position as well. Boom. And I like the carabiner. Pretty lightweight but durable. Can hang it onto your backpack or whatever. It's not gonna come off. Also I got this all new extra stain light load compressed towels. So let's see what this one is all about. A while back, I'm pretty sure I put to the test same brand product. It got a lot of use. So looks like we have here smaller briquettes and a much bigger one. I like it that is briquettes instead of rounds, because you could really stack them up and really get the more space into your luggage out of it. Pretty awesome. So let's open one up and see what it's all about. I tell you what guys, these things are awesome to have, not just for camping, but a couple of them in the car as well. You never know if you spill a bunch of stuff or you need a towel. Let me show you how it works. So you just pour a bunch of water on top of it to activate it. Then you see it's like activates and stretch out, and that way you get a little moist towel. It's going like crazy right now. Okay, once it gets plenty of moist, look at that. This is supposed to be extra stain. So you have pretty decent towel, mostly for your hands, for your arms, maybe wash them off, especially now you got here wet towel. Also, I'm pretty sure this would be very easy to dry out. You see how much water have came out. Let me wipe that off. And let's see if I can even do it much better job, because I want to see the stain of it. I really want to dry it out all the way. Look, all that water coming out. Look how much water it holds. So beside having it as a towel, use it for your hands and use it like wet towel, you could really dry it out and use it as a dry towel as well. You see how much I was squeezing it and it didn't break, okay? Stain test. Oh, look at that. So pulling on it too hard, it will break. But if you really like stretch it and try to rinse it like that, it's good. That's probably what it's made for rinsing it, not pulling so much. I think it's a pass for the extra string. And also I have a bigger towel right here. Obviously, don't pull on it, you're probably not even gonna be doing that. But if you need to squeeze all the water out, it will be no problem. Look at this briquette. And it's a towel, can you believe it? Let's pour on it. It is really compressed. Looks like from the side, working out the best. It is so compressed, it's really hard to open it because it's so big. I want to show you guys how big it's going to get. This is a really cool gadget right here for camping, for your car, for anything, for the beach. In case you forget a towel, you can always have one of these. Kind of like the small towels a bit better, but there you go, almost here. Just be patient with it, and that way the reward from your patience will be a really big towel. Let's pour a bit more water in here so it decompresses a bit. I mean, yes, it's a lot harder to decompress and unfold, but once you do, I want to really show you how big your towel will be. Also worth mentioning, I really like the logo, and it is very durable. Now I can grab it like that, put it over, make sure you get rid of all the water, or maybe you'll have to dry it out before you use it again. But look, if you're going to squish it to get rid of water, to make it dried again, so you can dry yourself on again and again. Let's see if it's going to be durable enough without breaking when I'm squishing it. It is definitely really easy to get all the water out. I like it. Okay, I put all my stain into it to squeeze it out, and guess what? Now it's completely decompressed. Beautiful. You can use it for a few days, no problem. I love it. For the next gadget, I got here iPhone floaty. You know, for iPhone X, looks like all these iPhones pretty much waterproof, water resistant. So let's see if mine will work with it. Oh no, mine is not going to fit in there. Also, look, I just realized I don't even have to use this case. I can put this floaty on my phone as well, and maybe use a different case for the floaty. Boom. Not really sure if this cell phone will float because it's a little bit bigger than iPhone X, but again, I would have two different cases and keep one of these cases in my boat, maybe kayak. I have a boat, probably would be good idea to have it there because obviously cell phones don't float, and I know my mom have dropped a cell phone into the lake and it was gone. So this is pretty cool gadget, but if I would have to hold it in my pocket, that is just too thick. This is why they give you an extra case. For the next fan mail gadget, I got here Multitool Shelf. I'm really not sure how to pronounce it, but this is the brand of it. They actually sent me a couple of gadgets. I'll show you guys in a minute. So this is pretty much a clip for multi-tool. They also sent me a Garber multi-tool, pretty cool. So what you would do is, instead of having this holder, I never use them, I usually get rid of them. You can stick it into here and put it onto your pocket, onto your backpack, whatever, because now it's on a clip. So you can pull it out at any time, and it sits in there really good. As you can see, obviously you won't be shaking it that hard, and I like it because it's from this really cool material. I forgot, carbon fiber, I think that's what it's called. Very unique and beautiful. Putting it into my survival box for sure. Also, they sent me one of this. Let's see what is this about. Not really sure if this is people sending me, like fans sending it to me, or companies. But nevertheless, thank you so much, guys. Because a lot of times I do get a lot of cool stuff from the fans. But sometimes companies do send me some expensive stuff too. So anyways, you take off one of those Swiss Army knives. I really like them. And you can put a clip for this knife by Swiss Clip. I think that is actually by same company, maybe not, I don't know. So looks like it give me a screwdriver with that too. Very nice. I like those tiny screwdrivers. I need a set so bad. I used to have a set, they all disappear somehow. Keychain ring holder, you're going to put this instead and then just screw it back on. So now you have a clip. How cool is that? And you can still put in a keychain to put it on a keychain ring if you like. But now you can put it on your pants, on your backpack for many different things. For the next gadget I got here pretty cool straps. I usually use ratchet straps. These ones are a bit different, maybe for like smaller loads and stuff. So this one is really short. But how does this work? So you put it two down here and then put it two down here. And let's start to pull on it. Oh, wow. This actually holds up really good. Wow, super cool. And to adjust it, all you have to do is just pull it forward, let go, and it locks it. This is super cool. So you can strap up with this thing, maybe fishing poles together with the shorter one. I usually use ratchet straps again, but this is pretty reliable. And the best part is, I think it is almost easier to deal with than ratchet straps. Once again, this is not coming out even on one edge like that. But why I love this thing, it is very easy to adjust it and reset it. Just press it and pull it. Very cool. I don't know why people send me one of these gadgets. This is like a belt organizer. I do have a lot of belts and they're very disorganized. But they also say on a picture, looks like it's for watches, for pretty much anything. A little organizer box. Let's start to put these belts in. You know what? I might even keep it in my garage. Put all these different sizes, whatever you call the straps in. I could probably keep a lot of them and boom. Anyways, have no idea why they send me one of this, but you know what? I like it. Little storage box. And for the next two gadgets, I got here Firestarter. This stuff is really good. I put to the test a while back. It is lights with one spark. And also right here, I got here little keychain multi-tool that you put on a keychain and you have a tiny screwdriver, bottle opener. I think the coolest part about it too, that you got even Phillips head screwdriver. Pull this out, put your screwdriver into here. Is it into here? Maybe into here, boom. And that way you can have a screwdriver like that. What is this for? Also you can, I guess, stick this one into here, and this is it, a little striker, maybe. But I don't know, do I get to choose which one I get to keep? So let's try to stack it this and see what happens. You know what? It is a little striker. It is so uncomfortable to hold. And you have a little of this strike, but it is impossible to hold. As you can see, I had to grab help from the knife. Honestly, my favorite part is this Phillips head screwdriver, always in your pocket, and also maybe I like a flat head right here, but I don't know. Super unique gadget. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this thing. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about these gadgets. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you next time.